Hello everyone and welcome back. I have a makeup tutorial to share with you guys today. I already did my brows using this Matisse New York brow pencil in ash. That's what that looks like. You can find this at any local beauty supply store. And it comes with this brush, which is very handy. Very handy indeed. Okay, I'm going to start off using this palette. Excuse me. This is the LA Colors I Love Makeup palette. Yep. Comes with a big mirror. Sorry about that. And it comes with these shadows. First shadow I'm going to be using is, well, you can't read it anymore, really. It says base. I'm going to be using that base and placing it on my brow bone. Thank God I'm okay. Now, I'm going to be going in with the shadow right there. You can read that one, I think. It says define. That one right there. Apply that on my crease. So yeah, I hope you guys are all doing great. Hot enough for you? Yeah. And these thunderstorms, let me know if you guys are experiencing or going through any thunderstorms around your area, because we're getting served here in New York. We really are. Okay, apply that to the crease and blend it while I'm at it. And see, it gives that subtle shadow. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And these hairs. So now I'm going to be picking up that other shadow, which is right underneath. Oh, sorry, that one right there, the dark one. It also says define. So just put the one that's overhead. Now we're using this one. Right at the crease line, right there, for more definition. Okay. Now I like to flick it up some, like so. Looks so pretty when I blend it out after I do that. These random little stray hairs, right? They are doing the most. It's hard to see with this little magnification mirror, but I left the other mirror in my bedroom and I don't feel like going over there right now. Anyways, let me take that other brush. I'm gonna use that other shade without adding any more product. Just blend this out. Nice like that. If I wore contacts, it would be much easier for me, but I don't, so gotta make it happen, you know? Okay, I'm gonna be taking this LA Girls, yes, LA Girls Pro Primer, and this one is in Nude. Like the Jordana, it's really creamy. Yeah, quite creamy. So what I'm saying is a little goes a long way. You don't have to go ham. is just like the Jordana one. The Jordana one that comes in the pot. Very good, very creamy. Okay. I'm going to take Topaz. And this is a single by Prestige Cosmetics. You can find this at local beauty supply stores. And this is what Topaz looks like. It's stunning. I promise you, it's really beautiful. So pick that up and apply that right on the lid. That's so pretty. Haven't used this eyeshadow in a while. It's beautiful. I really like it. Okay. Now that we have Topaz by Prestige down, I'm going to take another single eyeshadow. This one is by NYX Cosmetics. And this one is called Frosted Flakes. And I'm going to take this pad of my finger and apply that right in the center, like so. I could do it right there. Gives it a lovely, lovely effect. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara in black. And I'm only going to apply it to my upper lashes. This mascara is pretty good. I miss my Nicka K mascara though, I really do. And I think I have 2 more backups, 1 or 2 mascara backups. When they're done, I'm going to go to beauty supply store and pick up my Nicka K. I love that mascara. This one's not bad at all. There's an e.l.f. one also, it's really good. The one that comes closest to my Nicka K mascara is one by NYX. I think it's called Doll Eyes or something like that. Yeah, it's right there, neck and neck. It really is. It's the closest one that I could find. Works just as well. Look, this one's not bad at all. No complaints. Not at all. Considering I have like 3 or 4 lashes on each lid. I'm serious. Those who've been with me for a while know that I had cancer. And it's the reason why my hair is so thin, why my eyebrows are non-existent unless I put some on. And my lashes also went bye-byes. Cancer took a lot. But you know what's important? It didn't take my life. Thanks to the grace of God. Because I could boo-hoo-hoo and say, oh, my hair used to be so thick and lush. And it was. And my brows, I had a unibrow. And my lashes were long and black and thick and beautiful. Yeah, it was all that. But I'm still alive. And I don't know, to me that's more important. Very grateful to God. Yeah, I love that mascara. Okay. Should I do lips? My lip liners. have some in here? Yes. Hold on. Gotta put my glasses on. If I'm to see, you know. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. I'm gonna use this NYC lip liner. And has no name. It's just 955A. This is by NYC. I have to exfoliate my lips. Okay. So now that we have this NYC lip liner on, I'm going to pick up Rimmel's Airy Fairy. Oldie but goodie. I really like this lipstick. Really nice, but I'm losing the lip liner. Hold on. You have to exfoliate my lips, no doubt. Pull with that lip liner. Ooh. Alright, so done here. That's how the lips turned out. So you see, I love that Airy Fairy, and that is it. That's the look. Simple, not too much, but nice. So thank you for watching. I do hope you guys all enjoyed, and yeah, if there's anything you'd like to see, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, comment, rate, hit the notification bell if you like, and yeah, until next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.